So welcome to Rob's Fix-It Shop. Today I've got something that's pretty modern compared to a lot of the stuff I do. But I've got this Dell Precision 7530 that I want to put an additional SSD in. And so I'm just going to go through and show how that's done. So number one, I think you want to make sure that you don't have SD card plugged in. If you do, take that out. Also, make sure that the machine's completely powered down. So the screws on here are pretty straightforward. You got these, this, and here. So just take those out. So now I'm just going to use a guitar pick and go along here, pop the edges. And lift the cover off. I'm going to leave the screws in. And I'm going to pull the power connector like that. I'm going to pull this screw out right here. Pull this off, and then pull this screw out. Then we're going to pull the new drive out. Plug it in. Then it should fit right into here, and then we take that screw that we just took out. Okay, got that in there, and then like that. Push that in like that. And then let's put that screw in. Push the battery back in. Then when putting this top back on, these little tabs here, I'm going to put those in first. And then Then put my screws back in. Okay, so here I am. I'm gonna go into Disk Manager. Just type disk and create and format hard disk partitions comes up. And it says you must initialize the disk before Disk Manager can access it. Disk 1, which is here. And then I can, here I see my drive. New simple, so I just right click on it and say new simple volume. And there we go. So that's a video. Dell does recommend that you use a static strap when you're working with this device, and I think that's a good recommendation. I didn't do it. And make sure you got the right size screwdriver for these screws and for the screws in here. And these two screws are a little bit different, so you want to make sure you keep track of those. But other than that, it was very straightforward getting that drive in here. And if you liked it, please hit like and subscribe. And thanks for watching.